Yo, everybody, welcome to another live stream. We are back from the haunted hotel. We are back in the crib and just chilling. I look like I aged like 5 years already. But anyways, guys, welcome to another live stream. Mods are in. Thank you, Transistor. I really appreciate your existence in this live stream because it's gonna be hella religious. Not really, but we're gonna like do some terminal reading and learning and stuff like that. Basically, that's the idea. I don't know how it will go and how I'm gonna like. Maybe I'll get distracted. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's good to be back on my own channel. I don't know why I'm talking like I'm on somebody else's channel, but anyways, so I'm a bit sad because I'm not in Poland anymore though. Like, not gonna lie, Transistor. I mean, I enjoyed all the stuff in Poland. You know, the dragon, the Gary's mod thing, the map, and the haunted hotel, Polish people. It was just amazing. So yeah, I mean, I'm a bit bitter because I'm no longer there. But all the sweets you got, yeah, exactly. Actually, we did a little bit of a taste test with the family, and yeah, they are approved. They are really good, really good. So feedback, it's a kurwa out of 10 from me. So thank you to Poland for providing all the sweets, and thank you to people who gave it to me as a gift. And yeah, I mean, I look forward to coming back there. Hopefully my passport will be valid until that point, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I'll just apply for a citizenship or something. I don't know. Anyways, hello cow, what's up? Also, this week I have a big travel. You know, big travel. I'm a big travel guy at this point. I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but we're obviously doing some stuff. So yeah, big travel. It's Asia, okay? So it's gonna be fucking long ass travel. Like, I'm gonna spend a day traveling this time. So it's literally 24 hours with all the weights and with all the connections and everything. Fuck, it's gonna be I should maybe like kind of do a very cringy vlog this time, but I don't know. There's a problem with deleting my speaker drivers and I can't listen to anything. Wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna just do like sign language for you, man. Okay, no, just like, okay, I don't mean to throw gang signs to you. I'm not affiliated with any gangs. I just affiliated with the Rust program language. Anyway, Zig Asia, yes, it's gonna be that conference exactly. So I don't know, guys. Like, I'm probably gonna be very active on Discord, sharing my journey and sharing what's going down. I might do a live. Okay, I am going to do a live stream, and yeah, we're gonna see what kind of a hotel we got this time. You know, hopefully not haunted. Actually, I wish it to be haunted because it's like more fun, and I don't believe in ghosts. They're not real. So anyways, Turkish mob in the vicinity. We like love from Mongolia. Wish the best for you, man. I visited your country. It's a great country, Mongolia. My place, bruh. That's my place. There you go. I don't know if you read my blog post, but I'm gonna send it to you. Little plug. I mean, it's a really good country. I mean, just read it. Just read. I'm not gonna say anything else. Yeah, I have a blog post about Mongolia. My name comes from your river, man. You know that, right? Like, my literal name just comes from a river. I really liked that place. So yeah, so quite a long blog post. Okay, question: am I considering to go back to Mongolia? Not anytime soon, but yeah, I might actually. I mean, it was fun. You know, our roots as a Turkish person, our roots like come from Mongolia. So like, you know, it's just like a super historical and super fun experience. So heritage trip part 2. Yeah, I might just get like a tent not a tent, but like, what do you call it? Like the huge tent? Yeah, one of those things in Mongolia, like a, I don't know, very obscure mountain, not a mountain, sorry, there's no mountains. Everywhere is just moorland, moorland, I don't know. A war tent. Bro, I mean, at this point, I would be pretty okay with just not doing anything related to computers and just live in a tent or like go to a war or something. Like anything that is not like computer related, I would do it at this point. I'm a burnt out. I'm not gonna lie. I was a bit burnt out this month. And yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen in April, because yeah, a lot of travels happening. Become a Mongolian conqueror. Yeah, dude. I mean, I would love to. I would love to, dude. The culture is just great there. So I was reading about the old Turkish or just Turk religion, and it was quite interesting. Like there, you got the shamans and everything. Like you got these like these figures. They're just cool and shit, you know. Like maybe it's not realistic, like, you know, but I mean, religion, it's fun. I don't want violence. Live in peace, guys. Yeah, thank you for saying that. I'm not condoning violence. I'm just saying that maybe living in a tent, a war tent, in a Mongolian setting would be interesting for me at this point. Because I mean, I don't know, I just want to get away from things a bit. Of course, I'm gonna keep grinding, but like, you know, just a little bit of a relaxing, conquering session. Yeah, peaceful conquering with Rust. Absolutely. So maybe that would be a nice time that I can spend, you know. So yeah, JS. Oh shit, the painting on my wall just decided to drop from the wall. I didn't do anything. I mean, I'm still haunted after the hotel, because that just happened on its own. I didn't touch it. It's just like, okay, I'm gonna just drop from the wall. Anyways, I'm still haunted, guys, but that's fine. At least I'm not alone, you know. I have ghosts and all the dead people around me, so I'm haunted but not alone. So I'm fine. I like to be haunted. I mean, I have a lot of soulish ghost friends. That's fun. Anyways, what the hell I was saying? Looks like the Polish ghosts follow you home. Yeah, I was saying something, but I totally forgot. Yeah, JS, thanks for joining, man. I mean, it's good to have somebody from Mongolia here, actually. That's quite cool. I might flex that. I might actually flex that with people. I'm gonna just say, yo, I live stream and Mongolian people watch me. You know, my homies. Better pay rent, bro. I'm not complaining about being haunted. That just like, I like it. No free ghost squatting. Yeah, I'll follow you. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm a bit suspicious because your name is JS. Like, this probably JavaScript. So I don't know if I would flex that, but like I would definitely flex the Mongolian part. But JavaScript, bro. I mean, that's not my thing. I'm gonna just say that. Okay, that's your name. Jarg. Okay, I don't want to pronounce it. I'm gonna just like butcher it. But that's a long name, bruh. Okay, sorry. I don't know how to pronounce it. We're all about PHP here. No PHP. Okay, no PHP. No PHP. No PHP over here on the stream. Okay, no, that's okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Nail the pronunciation? No way. No way I nailed that. No. Juggled Sycon? I don't know. Like, you have a very mythological name. You have a cool name, bruh. I like your name. You're like well, I was watching this cryptid iceberg video. Maybe I'm just a bit like, you know, maybe I'm a bit like remembering the names from that video, but like it sounds very mythological to me. Nice. So guys, in case anyone else has a better idea, I might actually go ahead and read this document in the stream. So I had this in my list for a while, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna just read this one day, and I guess that day is today. It's not a Bible, like I was just joking. It's not, I mean, come on, it's not, terminal is not a religion, but maybe it should be. Yeah, wait, terminal religion, guys, I'm gonna just be a religious figure from now on. I'm gonna just, terminal Christians, what? No way. Yeah, that's not what we are doing here, okay? Like terminal faith, okay, terminal cancer, all right. They're like, okay, there are like a lot of religious religion terminal meme opportunities out there, so we might actually do something like it just for the fun. Temple VTE, bro, Temple OS is the best religion out there. It's like the latest version of the terminal religions. So yeah, whatever, I changed my mind. Let's not do a terminal religion. What is Snoop Dogg's current religion? What the hell? Why do I care about this though? Anyways, so yeah, I was like thinking, yeah, well, this looks cool, so I'm gonna just call it the terminal Bible. It's not a Bible though, but I'm gonna just send this thing to the chat. Also gonna pin it in case you want to like read it yourself later on. And I guess we're just gonna just dive into it, and I don't know if it's gonna be boring or like it's gonna be fun, but let's just see. Let's just give it a try. How do modern terminals actually work in detail? Still incomplete and like to have some parts incorrectly reverse engineered. Well, I appreciate the effort because they actually reverse engineered the stuff, but okay. The first things first, we got this dark theme enabled. Thanks for the link, Transistoric. JS, Jargles Syken, join our Discord, man. If you're using Discord, let's just talk about Mongolia there. Thanks, Transistoric. You're doing a great job today, man. You are just killing it, bro. So I appreciate it. So yeah, the terminal guide. The thing is, I have this dark reader enabled, so we don't see these arrows. It doesn't convert the arrows dark, so we are actually fucked here. So I might just actually do this maybe. Guys, dark theme or light theme? Come on, decide, and I'm just gonna go with your choice. You're probably gonna say dark theme because this looks super like you feel like a Mothman looking at this probably, right? Like you're like, bro, what is this, you know? It's 3 a.m. here, so dark. Wait, do you want the light theme or dark theme? What does that mean? 3 a.m. Whoa, okay. Thanks for joining on 3 a.m., bro. I mean, that's quite late. Where are you in Mongolia, by the way? Be right back, going to the doctors to replace my burnt eyeballs. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna just go with dark theme then. Are you in... what was the freaking capital? I totally forgot the capital's name. Yeah, Ulaanbaatar. Are you in Ulaanbaatar or anywhere else? Probably you're in Ulaanbaatar because that's like the biggest city, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. Go to sleep, listen to your mother, use light theme. Bro, I'ma just use dark theme here, but I'ma just switch to maybe light theme. Like, I'ma just like open these graphs and take a look at them in this separate tab, maybe, I don't know. Alright, the basics. Applications using the terminal as user interface, interact with a terminal program with a bidirectional stream of bytes. Bidirectional meaning input and output probably. Okay, and the interaction of the program with the terminal is restricted to its byte channel. This byte channels are usually mediated by a TTY layer in the kernel. This layer can possibly transform the byte streams in both directions and is stateful. The application can control this layer by OS specific calls out of band. So terminal sends the input to kernel TTY layer, and then that transforms the input and just gives back the input to the application. And there's this layer called termios. What is termios? We're just gonna like dive deep into the terminal today, guys. So I'm just gonna search for anything that I don't know about. So yeah, feel free to just interrupt me, by the way. I'm just chilling. What is this? Terminus. There's no description. Okay, description. Why the hell the description is just like here, not here? Terminal OS. That doesn't make sense to me. Okay, terminus functions describes a temple OS. Okay, maybe this should have just, temple OS. But anyways, terminus functions describe a general terminal interface that is provided to control asynchronous communications ports. What a explanation here. Okay, so this is like a alternate layer that you can use between the kernel and the application for communication with the kernel or something. And this looks like my last name, bro. Look at this. This looks like my last name. I just like, okay. There's this parameter. What is this, by the way? Parmark. Parity of framing errors. Okay, I don't know why Linux people are like, okay, let's put like let's use the most like hard to deduct names ever. Like, how do I interpret this in my mind? Ignore carriage return. Okay, this makes sense maybe. But let me look at this. IX off. Anyways, that's that. And then we have a kernel. And we have a terminal. So okay, that's very understandable. Okay, the simple model might be extended by many additional layers if remote connections or intercepting programs are involved. All right, let's have a look at this one. Terminal, kernel, SSH client, network, SSH server, kernel, multiplexer, kernel, application. Okay, so there's like kernel everywhere. Connections between the application and the terminal consists of characters to display and in-band control information communicated by control characters and escape sequences. So we already know this. These are like the ANSI escape sequences, right? The following table is an overview of sequences in the application and terminal direction. Answer bell. These are like different terminals, and these are like the escape codes, I think. Let's see the bell. Oh, this website is actually pretty good. Like, you can just click and get a nice explanation of each terminal ANSI escape code. So I'm gonna take a look at the bell. Traditional rings a bell. Okay, guys, does this ring a bell for you? Current illuminations vary in how this is interpreted. Audible beep, audible beep, audible beep. Okay, so how do I use this? Maybe just include a command for just running this. Bell ANSI escape code. I'm thinking if I just run one of these commands, 7. But we as Gigacha has disabled all the optional OS, PTY, and line discipline and handle it all ourselves. What do you mean exactly here? How do you do that? Are you like communicating with the kernel directly? You would just like spamming ANSI escape codes, or what do you mean? So let me just ring the bell, guys. So it's like 7. How do I ring a bell in the terminal? Ring a bell in the terminal using 0x7. 00x7. But anyways, yeah, this one. Okay, it didn't do anything. Is this correct? Guys, nothing's ringing for me. Can anybody try this? Alright, I don't have a bell enabled. Apparently. Let me try Western maybe. Yeah, let's try to ring a bell. Nope. No, there's no bell. Okay, no bell for me. Fine. Okay, that's fine. As we don't use a OSTTY GUI, but we punch the computer. I was I was expecting it would say punch cards or something. I think when I was reading up on it, it's possible to disable all the kernel processing v2 layers and just get it all raw. For what purpose exactly are you doing that? So you're gonna get things raw. You're just raw dogging the terminal at this point. Raw is a giga chat to do. Okay, so like these are the NC escape codes. Oh, look at this, 1337. That's very cool. That's very cool. You can confirm that I hear a bell on iTerm to macOS. Okay, that's cool. Then that's working. For me, it's not working. Probably I need to enable it or something. But yeah, punch cards are designed to be punched too. But all right. Yeah, let's just move on, okay? Display model of the terminal is two-dimensional array of fixed size and character cells. 2D array of fixed size and characters. These cells have a character content, possibly including combining characters. What are the combining characters? Each cell also has additional attributes like foreground, background, color, bold. Okay, that we already know this from Ratatouille, right? We literally have a cell struct. And yeah, that's literally just the presentation of a cell in the terminal. So we have the colors, modifier skip. We don't have the symbol public, but we have a symbol. So that's the same thing. Okay, what is this? Wide characters and combining characters. Printing one or more 0-bit combining character after positive within character book combines. What? Everything is just to do. Okay, whatever. Some characters that occupy two of these cells, for example, Japanese characters. These characters can occupy any two bordering cells on the same line. Main terminal limiters additionally save information for lines and cells for heuristics concerning line rerouting and terminal resize. Cursor position that acts as a base for adding in additional characters from the communication stream and various control sequences. I don't know if you ever I don't know if you ever experienced this in the terminal, but sometimes, like, especially when you're doing 2E development, you kind of like sometimes just don't reset the terminal. So when you move your cursor, you get these NC escape sequences in your prompt. I don't know how to like reproduce that. I experienced that a couple of times before. I was like, okay, I had one 2E, for example, I panic and I didn't reset the terminal. Then I just move my mouse around, I get like anti-escape sequences in the prompt. So yeah, this is basically saying that, I think. Because whatever you do in the terminal is just converted to ANSI and just like sent to the kernel, I guess. So yeah. Okay, the basic operation of printing characters to the screen is that the application outputs a character, which then overwrites the cell contents at the location of the cursor. Yeah, so this is like a bit interesting because let's say you want to like update a cell. You basically need to move the cursor to that point and then update it, and then like you basically use the cursor for each cell in the terminal. And I kind of saw that, well, again, I was doing some 2E development, and you know, I had these 2Es where most of the cells were updated frequently. I can maybe show it to you. What was the TTY theater? Yeah, maybe I can show it to you from this project. So like it moves the cursor around and just like updates the cells, and yeah, that's how it works. It's a bit of a interesting thing because you basically need to move the cursor each time, and yeah, sometimes you can see it. Let's see if this is gonna compile. I don't know what's going wrong with my setup here, but okay, whatever. Some terminals maintain a scrollback buffer in addition to the character data in the cell described above. The save lines that have been scrolled out of the character architecture defined area of cells These are used to allow the user the terminal to view these lines, but generally do not influence terminal operation as observable by the application. Some terminals move data back from the scroll back buffer when a terminal is resized to a larger number of rows. The operation of the terminal is controlled by a set of modes and various additional states. The state includes the current attributes used for change styles, scrolling regions, and additional data. Let's see the modes. Oh wow, this is taking a lot of time for some reason. What is iTerm 2? Isn't it just iTerm? I don't know. I am not familiar with the Linux. Sorry, I am not familiar with the macOS. I was not Linux, but macOS terminal thing stuff. So maybe ask JS about it. It's probably a better iTerm. I don't know. That's my guess. So we have a bunch of terminal modes. 2, 3, 4, 8. Reverse display colors. That's interesting. Can I try this out? Swaps default unnamed background of organ colors when rendering. Okay, I want to try this out. How do I try this out? Let's see. Set whatever. Alright, maybe I can show you what I meant with the cursor stuff here, but no. Okay. Yeah, you saw this? Like, yeah, you saw the cursor here from going from here to here, right? When I run this animation. That's because it basically like moves the cursor to render each cell. That's why you're seeing the cursor move. And also like on these animations too, like it's moving around to draw things. Oh, look at this. This is like more apparent from this example. Like it's basically moving the cursor around. So yeah. Oh no. Okay. Sorry guys. I didn't mean to run that. How do I run this thing? This is not a command, right? I want to run this set reverse screen. Oh, you have an example here. Alright, I guess echo this. I don't think it's gonna work, but better iTerm is accurate. I don't know that well because I never used the original iTerm. If there even is such a thing. Yeah. But I remember there were some like suggestions for macOS. What was the thing again? Was it like this? Anyways, I couldn't run it, guys. So I don't know much about macOS terminals, but yeah, should be fine, I guess. Alright, I couldn't run it, but whatever. I think there was like some command like put or something to update this modes or something. Maybe I can try this one too. I'm just copying random ANSI escape codes over the internet. I don't wanna break my terminal, but whatever. Okay, we got the modes and everything. Cool. Going to the next one, next chapter, next page. So we got the basics. Let's see the printing. Printing characters. When an application sends a character to the terminal that is not part of a control sequence and is a non-control character, the terminal adds this character to the cell array. 0 with composing characters. If the pending wrap status set wraparound mode, what are those? Some terminals save the fact that the line wrapped for the terminal resets and clipboard heuristics. I don't know what this is. Wraparound mode, wraparound. Oh, line wrapping. Okay. Okay, that's just line wrapping. So it's just like adds it to the cell array, I guess. And yeah, insert mode. Invisible character. If the current SGR state, what is this? Let's see, SGR. Invisible that the character is replaced by the same number of spaces. Interesting. Then the character is placed into the cell the cursor points to. If the width of the character is greater than 1, the cell and the cells to the right are used. Then the cursor is moved right by the amount of cells corresponding to the width. If the cursor would cross the right margin in this mode, the cursor is placed at the right margin under pending wrap. Status cell. So it's basically like inserting. Cells for the character are colored and styled according to the current SGR state. So SGR is probably like the current like styling or something, yeah. Yeah, okay, just like printing. It's very basic. Scrolling region. It's unwritten. Okay, control characters and escape sequences. I already looked through this thing. So, I mean, there are like stuff in here that might be useful whenever you're doing some NC related things, I guess. Is there a Turkish? Yeah, 0 is Turkish. Why 0 is Turkish? Rest is rest character set. Turkish supplement. What is this? Guys, I gotta search for it. Give me a second. I'm just curious here. Turkish supplement. Alright, Turkish Airlines. What is this? What does this mean? Rest 96 Latin, French, Canadian. French Canadian. Okay, I didn't know that existed. Sorry, I'm a bit ignorant here. German. Italian. Okay, so like character sets and Nancy escape codes, whatever. That's, yeah, that page is useful whenever you need it. So modes, we already took a look at this. Attributes. Cool, I guess. I was expecting more from this Bible. We already at the end. What the hell? Mouse. Okay, we got some juicy stuff in here. Mouse. Mouse tracking modes enable the application to react to mouse input. Configuration is for 2 independent aspects. What events are sent and their button encoding. Which port encoding is used. There are some special modes. These modes are mutually exclusive. The last activated mode wins. Mouse click only tracking, set a mouse button pressed, down up tracking, highlight mode, dragging tracking, mouse tracking with movement. Okay. Reporting format. Interesting stuff. Okay, reporting format. Look at this, guys. Mouse information is reported as escape code, this thing, button, column, row. Interesting. Bible, more like brochure. Yeah, right. We just already at the end. So okay, this is good to know. Sometimes I get these little NC sequences in my terminal and I don't know what they mean, but now they actually make sense. Button, column, and row encoded as byte with 32 plus value. This mode range from 1 to 223. The value exceeds the range. Null is used. Okay. Mouse information is reported as this. Mouse button IDs. It's good if you like implementing a terminal emulator. This is a good document, but otherwise I'm not getting much interesting stuff out of it, sadly. It's just like bunch of formats and NC escape codes. Highlight tracking. This is interesting though. It's a special case for left button clicks. The terminal will render the text selection. After ending the selection, sound will be transferred to the clipboard. After release of the mouse button, highlighting is automatically removed. Just imagine implementing all of these yourself in your terminal emulator. Just imagine you're like writing a terminal emulator and you gotta handle all of these cases. I'm wondering what Rio is doing actually. Let me actually go to the Rio code base. Okay, we're gonna stalk Rafa now. Okay, we're gonna see his implementation for highlight tracking. Let's see if there's a highlight tracking code in Rio terminal. Because I'm guessing if you're writing a terminal emulator, you gotta just like implement all of these things, otherwise the applications won't work, right? So it should be there. What encountered two files that should have been pointers but weren't? Okay. I don't know what that means, but fine. So I'm gonna just search for highlight tracking. Something's wrong with my theme, by the way. I don't know what's wrong, but like, you see it, right? Like, yeah, anyways, I broke something in my config. Highlight tracking. There's nothing related to the mouse. Mouse wheel. He's probably just using another Rust library for handling a lot of these cases though. Okay. Mouse report. Maybe this is the place where he's doing these things. Yeah, look at this. It's just like SGR mouse report and stuff like that. Okay, LSB stop, please. LSB stop. I don't want to run cargo build in the background. I'm gonna just... Oh my god, what happened? This really makes me appreciate all the people who are actually handling all these cases, and I'm just clueless to it all. Yeah, that's why I was curious and wanted to see for myself. Okay, cargo. It's not running. Cool. Rust analyzer. Okay, it's running, but it's probably not compiling, so that's good. So, okay, it's actually doing some stuff here. So, mouse report, display offset, mouse position, assure the mouse position is not scroll back, calculate modifiers value, report mouse events. So, SGR mouse. That's the mode that we had saw before. Mode contains. So if we are in the mouse mode, we're just like reporting the mouse. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this. There you go. That's what I was saying. So it's actually creating the NC escape code here, and just sends them to whatever whatever messenger is. So okay, so they are actually like, it's actually just using ANSI escape codes. I mean, I would probably have some constants and stuff like that for this, but whatever. That's fine. Alright, so, okay. Oh, look at this. We have even more complicated stuff. Normal mouse report. Max point. Wow, okay. So, I don't know what these constants are, but yeah, like some... This is the limit that we saw here, probably, right? Yeah, the range from 1 to 223. Okay, that's cool. So it's like actually taking these into account. Creates a message. 32, yeah, we saw this 32 plus value, so 32 plus button. And also doing some more byte operations and stuff like that. Encodes the mouse. So yeah, guys, they are actually implementing them yourself. So if you wanna build a terminal emulator that supports mouse, you gotta do all of these things, apparently, because yeah, that's the standard. Well, we have even more sequence stuff. Right filter escape sequences. We remove this the impossible to paste the text, right bracketed paste. Okay. Nice. So we actually found a place where it's being handled. Very cool. Now something is running in the background again, so I'm gonna just kill it. Rust analyzer, just kill Rust analyzer. I don't want to build anything right now. I'm just taking a look at the code. Search input, handle backspace, Control H. Oh man, just imagine how hard it would get to maintain this code if the standard changes or standard gets updated. You gotta just like go in here and like do these things again, like, you know, write this code again basically. So yeah, that's interesting. That was interesting discovery on my part. So yeah, highlight tracking. You were reading this thing. Well, this document was quite useful if you are implementing a terminal emulator, which I am not, but it was good inside anyways. I enjoyed the inside. So that's all that we have, guys. Let's see the contributing guide in case we want to contribute. Add terminal to application codes. Some learnings about scroll regions and scroll back buffers. Okay, we have some knowledge here. Additional modes, echoes, attributes. Is this being maintained actively? Let's see the last commit. 11 months ago. I mean, it's like, yeah, I mean, it's not that active. Well, it was like, this was created in 2020. That's a bit concerning. How do you even find this stuff? I don't remember actually. I have this link. So I have this like list of things that I want to check out, and I just randomly add links to there. And I probably saw this thing on Discord somewhere, or like, I don't know, maybe I was searching for something else and I just found this link and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just check it out later. So I don't know. I just like, I don't remember. Maybe somebody sent it to Ratatouille Discord. So yeah, okay, we have this thing which is like not merged. It's been 5 years, guys, come on. Well, it's just a link change. What? Just merge it already, or just close it. But anyways, I'm gonna watch the repo because I want to like get updated in case anything happens. So watching all the activity, data bags. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I appreciate their effort, but it's like a bit incomplete right now. I guess like we don't have the scrolling region, which is I think very interesting. But okay. Terminal guide. So that's all, guys. I mean, we kind of went through everything in the document. Bible has been read. So what are we gonna do now? We can just start implementing our own terminal emulator, I guess. Glad you guys enjoyed it. I mean, that was just a very quick rabbit hole read. So yeah, let me see if I have anything that I can work on right now. I mean, if I wanted to work, there's always work because it's open source, but you know what I mean, like I want to do something fun here. So yeah, let me see, guys, 1 second. We can try setting up the Kitty terminal because I was kind of interested in that. Or I don't know. Thanks for actually going into Codebase for an example of an implementation. Yeah, no worries. I was curious. So gotta do that, you know. Go to Kermit repo, Control-C, Control-E. Okay, guys. We're gonna read the Kermit code now, okay? Kermit is my terminal emulator. Got just a little plug, so you know, it's not like something big. It's just like something that I wrote myself. I wrote it myself. You know, I wrote it with my hands, not with my fingers because I don't have fingers, but with my hands. And yeah, I wrote it, guys. So it's something that I wrote it, and yeah, something. Anyways, it's a terminal emulator. Look at the GIF and everything's so sweet here. Love it. Best project in the whole world. So we're gonna just read the code, guys, because I don't remember what I did in here. It's super ugly probably because it's not even Rust. It's actually C, because I was not able to Rust back then. I don't want to say I was not able to. It's more like I didn't know. You know, this was created like 6 years ago, right? 6 years ago. Let's go to the first commit. How do I go to the first commit here? Yeah, just okay. Just you got the idea. Like it's 6 years ago, right? So I used VTE for it, and VTE is just basically doing everything for you, and you don't have to do anything for creating a terminal emulator. But I mean, it was fun either way. No man, look at this. Look at the code. Oh my god. Look at all the forward slashes and backslashes and everything. I mean, who uses this commenting format these days? Like probably nobody. So yeah. Wow. Okay. It's just like, how many lines is this? It's like 800 lines of code. It's mostly just parsing stuff. Like it's just parsing arguments here. I think it's parsing what is this? Parsing settings. The oxygen probably. It's not even the oxygen, it's just CMake. Yeah, you mean like the comments format? I don't know. I'm a bit away from the C ecosystem, and I'm pretty happy with that, so I don't know. License is GPL3 because fuck all the companies who want to steal my shitty ass terminal code. So yeah, just GPL3. I don't know. I was like, okay, GPL3 is cool. It's open source, right? So I'm gonna just put GPL3 in here. So we got that. What is this function, by the way? I saw unused. What is unused? It's just void. It is just void. Oh my god. It's like doing let underscore equals in Rust, but instead we got the unused function. Guys, this is peak programming, okay? This is like peak programming over here. It just like takes a parameter and just like nothing, does nothing with it, just void. Just like emptiness. Classic C trick to avoid warnings. Yeah, I mean, unused user data. And my comments are like, what are these comments? It's not explaining anything. I mean, come on. Unused user data. I know it's basically unused. Nice. Nope with arguments. Yeah. So yeah, this code is just a mess. It's not a mess. I don't want to like talk shit about my own code because it's my code, you know what I'm saying? But still, you know, it's not great because it's C, because it's yeah, it's not doing much. But well, one thing that I implemented, oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, it's just like base 16 terminal color thing. What is this Zuckerberg feature? What the fuck is this? Wait, Zuckerberg feature. Set cursor blink mode. Blink off. Big brain. Dude, I was just a meme god back then too. Like, look at this. Zuckerberg feature. Blink mode false. Okay, blink off. Zuckerberg feature, everybody. No terminal has this feature. Just my wow, okay. I was not expecting that, but okay, cool. Trying to get a job in Meta even back then. What do you mean? I'm not trying right now. Shut up. Don't tell this to anyone. So we got the Zuckerberg feature. Wow, okay, just memeing. Just nice. You're very smart, bro. Whoever wrote this code, very smart. So we got the Zuckerberg feature. So what I was going to say is, if you run this terminal, let me make the font size bigger. How do I even do that? Is it like shift plus? Is it like this? Okay, found out. Okay, cool. We're at the terminal. I think the coolest feature that I added, and like I actually coded a little bit, was this tab feature. If I can, okay, there you go. This tab thing is just very custom, you know, like I put some effort into it, so you can actually have tabs. This is literally what I'm using Zelish for right now, just for tabs. But in my own terminal I had tabs, so fuck you talking about, man. That's what we were just like being chilling with C back then, you know what I'm saying? So we got all these signals and shit. We got like a bunch of parsing stuff. We have a bunch of scanfs. This function, by the way, is just for parsing ini files, and the config is just the ini file. Not a ini file, by the way. It's just a conf file, because what the fuck is the difference? Nothing. But I just like to use conf because like that that feels closer to Linux. Um, Linux, I don't know, standards, not standards, but you get what I mean. That's what people usually do. And you got the opacity 96 as default, because why not? Because yeah, it's like, you know, when you reverse it, you got 69, I guess. That's why. I don't know. So we got this ugly ass config file. I mean, even Ghosty's config is better than this. Sorry. I'm just saying. Actually, this is better than Ghosty's config, probably. What is the Ghosty's config? Config Ghosty. Let's see Ghosty's config, guys. Let me just compare. Actually, no, it's just the same. Just the same format. But mine is better because we have 0.96, right? So yeah, shout out to Hashimoto. So yeah, we got this terminal. It's not being used. I hope. I don't know. Maybe it's being used. Let's see. Cloning the terminal does not work on Bash. Well, this is from me. Oh yes, roasting Ghosty, the main Kermit competitor. Yeah, I mean, I've been competing with that terminal since 2019 or some shit, bruh. We've been just in the game for. Actually, I'm actually an older terminal developer than most of the guys today. You know, Rio was not around while I was developing Kermit. Ghosty. Okay, I'm just glazing myself at this point. Whatever. So yeah, I said surely an interesting idea. I'll probably look into it in more detail when I have more time to work on this project. If this was in 2022, bro, it's been 3 years. Where's the time? It's nowhere. Okay, smart copy. Yeah, I'm just gonna unassign myself because I'm not working on this. E option not work. All right, 2020. This is like 2020, and we're in 2025 now, so I don't think E option will ever work in this terminal. At this point, it's completely broken. Okay, it's completely broken. Done. No E option. We gotta just remove it. Patreon. I still have a Patreon, which is interesting because I don't use it. But let's see. Look at me, guys. I don't even look like this guy anymore. This guy is like not me. Is it me, guys? Do I look like? No, get out. Do I look like this guy? Bro, I look old, bro. How old do I look? JS. Just shoot a guess. How old am I, do you think? I have 11 posts here. My GitHub sponsor page is now live. No, I'm not leaving here. I basically left there. I was like lying, bro. Well, I was planning to not leave, but then I realized everyone just like sponsoring me on GitHub, so I just left probably. Sorry Patreon patrons. Sorry. You look 23, but I think 28. Bro. Yeah, I am 23. I am 23, but I think, what do you mean? Like, do I look... I'm confused now, because usually people say the opposite. They say, like, you look 28, but you are probably younger than that. But thanks for the compliments, bro. I'm probably 24, by the way. I stopped counting after 20. But thank you. At least today old. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. I'm just gonna say that whenever somebody asks my age, I'm just gonna say, I'm today's old. You know, because I don't know, guys, like my math is not great, so I cannot do like 2025 minus 2021. No, sorry, 2025 minus 2001. I cannot do that. It's like, yeah, it's hard for me. But yeah, let me see if there is anything that I want to do here. I mean, I have a bunch of shit to do, usually, but I'm not in the mood to do those grind activities. Alright, we have, let's see. Oh, I always wanted to check out Yazi. Maybe we can do that. I just thought to add 5 years because of all of these projects you did. I mean, that's a lot of experience. Thank you, man. I was just like, I'm just chilling, not doing much. I've been just chilling, bro. All right, Yazi. Let's check out Yazi. Transistor. Are you using Yazi? I wanna like learn about how to use this. Mainly because I'm like, I wanna like move away from Neovim a little bit, because if you have seen my workflow, I usually have Neovim, which I heavily use this part of the Neovim, like Neo tree, because yeah, I mean it's convenient, but at some point I think I will just switch to Helix or something else. So I need a file manager, so I'm gonna just check out Yazi. And yeah, it's a cool one. Scroll view. Okay, let me actually run it. One thing that I couldn't figure out in Yazi was how do I even like show the key bindings on the screen? Like how do I do that? Something's running in background right now. Cargo. Probably just cargo is running. Let me just kill it. Or like rust analyzer. Wait, what? Cargo? Nothing's running, but my CPU is going crazy. Not using any terminal file managers, not even sure why, except for I don't vibe with them. Yeah, I mean, me too. I'm just like raw dogging ls and like, I don't know, cd and shit like that. I use this one, which is very cool. Well, I cannot find it right now, but Tere, this file explorer, not file manager. You might have seen me just running it like this. This is like the program. It's just for like jumping between directories very quickly. This is very fun. I use this thing, but recently I had a use case where I wanted to bulk rename or like select files and delete or something like that, and Neo3 was not working well with it, so I was like, okay, let me just run Yazi. But in Yazi I couldn't figure out how to use it because like there's no guides, like there's no way to show the key bindings. I tried like H or like, I don't know, question mark and shit, but it doesn't show anything. And one thing that I forgot to mention, I was in an airplane, so no internet, so how do I figure out Yazi, you know? So now I'm gonna just check it out. Docs. Let's see the most important part actually. Configuration. No. Key map. Oh my god, there's so many keys here. It's just the freaking file manager. For quick jumping, I have my own tool that shall remain unnamed. Isn't that the one that you are writing with Zig? What was the name? Was it something else? I'm gonna just stalk you now. Precisely, yeah. Let me just, yeah, this one, right? Bro, you gotta just like write a TUI for this using Zig at this point. Is there a TUI framework in Zig? Okay, Yazitomo. Let me see. Let me get a boneless pizza. Let me see. Let me see the freaking key bindings. Wow, why this thing is so long, bruh? That's what she said. Where is it? Key map Tomo. Dude, I just wanna like, yeah, there you go, finally. What? Key notation. That's not what I want. I just wanna see a table of keys. Libvax it actually has inline mode TUI. I'm curious now. Okay, fuck Yazi. I'm just gonna do Zig development now. Alright guys, we're doing Zig stuff now, right? Modern TUI library written Zig. Start. Immediately start. Zig documentation. Okay. Oh, we have a draw function. Hold on. Draw function. Source code. I'm not interested in source code. I just want to learn more about the parameters and everything. That's the problem with Zig. I mean, I don't want to like figure out everything myself. It begins with them, but ends with me, their son of access. That's cool. I'm gonna just run this actually. Hopefully I have the correct Zig version for running it, because that's always a problem, you know? JS, are you doing any Zig development or anything like it? What do you write, bro? I forgot to ask you. Are you doing JavaScript like your name suggests, or what do you do, bro? Which industry are you working in? Let me ask that very generally. I'm just a simple JS dev currently. Yeah, I mean, your name is JS. Just got into Rust scene. That's cool. Oh, I just run cargo by accident. Oops, sorry guys, my bad. I just old habits die hard. So how do I run examples now? Zig build, run. How do I run examples? Usage, features, RGB hyperlinks, bracketed paste, keyboard, fancy underlines, usage. The library provides both a low-level API suitable for making applications of any sort as well as higher level framework. Okay. Alright. The low-level API is suitable for making applications of any type, providing your own event loop, and use your full controller, each cell and screen. The high-level API called VXFW access framework for the Flutter-like style of API. Okay, interesting. If you have 0.13 from Arch, it's too old. I don't know what I have. Let me see. Zig version. I have 0.13, bruh. Alright, we're gonna just do a partial upgrade. I'm not sure if actually the Zig package is updated in Arch. Probably it's not though. Maybe it is. Yeah, it's still 0.13. So what do? Which Zig version does this support? Oh my god, is this an example? Okay, just like very scary. Right off the bat, very scary example. But alright. Contributing. Just put like minimum supported Zig version here. You know, MSZV. Zig zone. Minimum Zig version, okay, 0.14. Fuck, we're fucked, guys. I gotta just like just install Zig bin. 0.14, exactly. Let's just install a Zig bin without even checking the sources, okay? I'm feeling a bit like ghetto today, so I'ma just do that, okay? I don't care. I'ma just install a random binary on my computer. It's just a typical Sunday for me. Nothing new. Downloading ransomware off the internet, fun stuff. I got messages from WhatsApp. 1 second. Chicks are just trying to get into my DMs. Not really. Why do I get Twitter updates from Primogen? Jazz. Yeah. How big is this? It supports Pentium 4. I respect that. I have a Pentium 4 PC in the basement. I was running Arch on that thing. I had a CRT monitor actually. You guys want to see my CRT monitor? Do you guys want to see my CRT monitor? I might actually just bring that into this room. That's a fucking big ass monitor. Hold on, I'm gonna just bring it here. Alright, 1 second. Guys, you're not ready for this. Just check this shit out. It's fucking flex. Look at this. It's fucking heavy as fuck, and you know, I'ma just code on this thing now. It makes a very loud noise when you run it. Look, an actual terminal. Imagine an actual terminal running on this, and it's fucking heavy. Oh my god. It is, I don't know if you can see it. Wait. It is Philips 107. I don't want to drop this. 107 S6. It's a beast, alright? Love this thing. Great. I'm gonna just put it on the ground for now. Damn, that was my workout for today. Just carrying that around. Show the oscilloscope. The Pantone 4 brings back memories of playing GTA. And all static when you go near it. Hell yeah, bro. Like, when you... Like, I ran this thing for real, and when you like touch the screen, you can just feel the static on the screen. It's just so great. Is this thing Ratatouille ready? Bro, it is still running, so... I actually have 2 of these, but the other one is in the basement, like I said. I have this one here because I don't know why. It's very cool. I might actually run it someday. I can try to run it now, but yeah, okay. Actually, we can run it. Fuck it. I'm gonna just run this. Hold on. Alright, this stream is gonna be great. So I have the second monitor, right? And this second monitor is... hold on, let me think. Yeah, I'm using HDMI on this. How do I even fucking plug this in, though? I gotta find... Okay, wait, guys. I'm gonna just plug it in. Okay. Fuck. There's no space for this thing. Desk. Alright, I kind of did it, but it's very risky. You can just... Like... Right. Is it safe? Yeah. Alright. You just plug it in. Hey, I don't have the cable for it. Fuck. I'm gonna find a power cable now. Wait. I just so hard. Guys, can you help me a little bit? I'm trying to like find a power cable from this pile of cables. So I appreciate some help, please. Thank you so much. Fucking hell. You get a disc reader. If you guys wanna like, okay, this turned out to be a stream where I'm trying to like sell my stuff. So if you want a disc reader, just let me know. Hit me in the DMs. I got you. We got this. What is this thing? Is it joystick? I got a joystick. Toast that pile with some tomato sauce, and you got a nice spaghetti. Well, you're the chef here, so I would trust that. Actually, I might do it. Bro. Okay, I don't have a power cable probably. I'm just... Fuck. Guys, I tried, okay? I tried, but... Oh, this is a mess. Well, what is this? Oh, is this a power cable? I think I found it, guys. I got it. Okay, we're actually turning this bad boy on. Let's go. I'm gonna just put this pile of spaghetti where I got it. One sec. I'm gonna just like need to keep my stuff organized, even though everything's fucking in a spaghetti. Guys, now that I think of it, what if it explodes? What if it just like decides to explode? What am I gonna do? I just realized this cable is too short. So yeah. Well, I'm just gonna do it somehow. I'm gonna just like put it in the. Okay. I'm just thinking now. What can I do? This cable is too short. Damn it. Oh, maybe I can just like put it on the other side of the table. Okay, wait. You guys are flexing your setups, but you don't have a CRT monitor, so all right. We actually set it up. I'm gonna just You heard that? Did you guys hear that noise? All right, we got it running. I just gotta like switch to this screen and we good. Let me just unplug the other monitor. I don't know if it's a downgrade or an upgrade at this point. What do you think? I really don't know. All right. I got the chat window on a CRT monitor now. I literally have the chat window on a CRT monitor, guys. Let me actually change the resolution. Because, okay. What the fuck? It's not even like fitting the screen. I'm gonna just send the picture to Discord 1 second. Oh my god. Oh my god. We literally have a CRT monitor at this point. Let me resize this thing. Okay. Say something in the chat because I'm gonna take a picture. Say something if you want to be famous. All right. Let's do it. Oh my god. I'm gonna post this to Twitter. Where's my other screen? Okay. Oh my god, it's glitching. It's glitching so bad. Okay, let me take a picture like this maybe. I need a nice TUI on the screen. 1 second. Oh, I just fucked up. Oh, I gotta just move this thing here. Okay, cool. It's just glitching whenever I switch screens. 1 sec, I gotta find something. Alright. Alright, let me take another picture. Let me actually run tweez on this. Thanks for the Mongolia flag. That's fun. Let me switch to 5. I might just switch to the live stream window here. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Alright, I have the best streaming setup ever. So no questioning at this point. Let me just turn this off. I'm gonna send a picture to Discord if you're curious about my setup right now. It is it's fucking beautiful. It is fabulous. It's just great. Alright, let me send this to Discord. New streaming setup. Let me send this one too. Oh my god. Literally have a CRT running here. It's glitching out though. It's glitching like crazy, and also like it is still working, guys. I'm literally connected to this thing using HDMI, so I might use this. I have 3 screens now, but actually let me just like turn it off because it fucking like killing my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I will just need to carry this to where it belongs, which is graveyard. Sorry, ground. I'm just gonna put it here, right next to me. Love this kind of love this old tech. Okay, so yeah. Actually, I'm gonna just wait before I do that because I don't want to get electrocuted. You know, these fuckers have some capacitors and some shit inside of them, so you might actually get like fucking electrocuted, shit like that. Thanks for the showcase. No problem. I enjoyed it. I'm actually use this. It's a flex. CRTs are for like diamonds in James Bond's movies. Yeah. But yeah, I'm sweating now because I carry this thing, and I don't remember what I was doing. All right, going back to our Zig adventure. Let's just install Zig 0.14. Man, this shit was dusty. My hands are now very dusty. Alright, 1 second. I'm still typing my password. My password is just long, okay? I like security. I like security. Okay, we got Zig version 0.14. Alright, we are upgraded. We are update. We are up now, okay? So that's cool. How do I run the examples? Transistor egg. Scroll main image. Oh, image. Since I put this CRT monitor next to me now, I'm just seeing my own reflection from its screen. You know what would be really spooky? If my reflection on CRT monitor screen would just like move on its own and does things that are not me, you know? That would be so spooky. But anyways, Zig run, Zig build. Okay, it's just building now. Just like give me the commands for running this shit, bro. Like I need to run the examples. Documentation. Documentation is just basically the Zig documentation, right? Oh my god, look at the comments here, like a bunch of lines. Lol API. Okay, contributing. Dude, I just need to run the examples. That's all I need. Why is it so hard? All right. Zig build run, I guess, or let me actually read the arguments. Example, yeah, okay. Zig build example. Example, but it's building the example. How do I run them? Zig run example. What the hell is this? Did I just run the examples? Zig build Zig run. There's no such thing as Zig run, right? Run examples, just CLI Zig. Well, this is the example, but like which one is it? And do I have to read the build Zig file to figure it out? Example option. Oh, okay, so is it like an option? Okay, the example and example name. Let's run view. I figured it out. I'm so smart. I have a CRT monitor after all, right? Alright, what is this supposed to be? It's a map. It's a map. Let's check the Mongolia on the map. Okay, it just crashed. Nice. Integer overflow. That's just lovely. What was the command again? Example the example view. Alright. That's cool. I mean, nice too. Nice too you got there, Zig devs. Although it's yeah, they could use better characters to draw this. Zoom. Okay, you can zoom too. Mini. Alright, just exit. Okay, that was fun, but not super impressive. Image. Is this supposed to show an image? Oh, Zig PNG. Okay, it's supposed to show an image, but my terminal does not support images. Kitty. Okay, I gotta use Kitty for this. Fine. Split view table. Let's see table. This is not bad. It's cool. It's cool. Vaxis. Let's see, waxes. Nice. How did I do that? Is it like custom like color change happening here? Blend colors, okay. Just a color function. RGB colors, okay. Just like custom color function. And yeah, print segment render. I mean, it's very straightforward actually. It's not bad. VT. What is VT? VT. Is this VT 100 something something? Oh, it's just like a terminal widget. Okay. Table split view. Let's see, split view. Reset the terminal, please. Reset the terminal. Okay. Split view. Let's try this one. Split view. Fuzzy. Okay, it's not very interesting. Fuzzy. Fuzzy finder. All right. This was cool. I don't know if I'm gonna build something with Zig, but definitely I'm gonna just use this one probably because this looks pretty complete. I didn't get the API that much, like I didn't read the code that much, but like it seems very straightforward. And this Flutter, I think Flutter, right? Flutter like API is interesting too, so I'll keep that in mind. Thanks Transistor for bringing this to my attention. I already started the repo, so it's cool. I'll actually maybe watch the issues. Yeah, I think I can watch the issues and PRs. That might be interesting. And also releases. Just watch everything, bro. Just watch everything. I'm unwatch it when it's very noisy, but for now I think it's fine. So yeah. Guys, I feel tired now, so after carrying that CRT monitor to my table, I'm just like done, and my workout is complete. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just go. The mix that is playing today was Nokia 3310 Liquid DNB Jungle mix. So if you're interested in this type of music, I'm gonna just send this to the chat. It's a Nokia 3310, you know, the OG Zig Fatigue, yes. So yeah, guys, drink water. We'll see what will happen this week. I might live stream from the hotel, or maybe in the like airport or something. Vitaly, you are kind of late. I already did bunch of stuff with the CRT monitor, man. I set it up, I used it, so you kind of missed that part, but welcome. And yeah, it's just sitting on my desk now, the CRT monitor. I don't know how can I show it to you because my camera is stable, but I can maybe do something like this. Wait, not like, wait, not this. Yeah, something like this. Look at this. I cannot yeah, the other side. No, this side. Yeah, look at this. Dude, I'm so smart. Look at what I'm doing. No, the other side. Okay, fuck. Okay, what? I got a notification, like a random notification. Guys, I'm trying my best to show it to you. Okay, fuck it. You just rewind. I can't do it. Just rewind on the live stream. I have a CRT monitor sitting on my table right now. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna just flex. Okay, wait. It's fucking heavy. Oh my god. Workout upon workout, yes. Hotel, look at this bad boy. It's actually working. Okay, since I already lifted this, I'm gonna just put it on the ground. Yeah, like move it. Fuck. Let me. Okay. Shout out to Philips for sponsoring the CRT monitor. Flex both literally and figuratively. Yeah, love it, man. Next time, I'm just gonna like get the two monitors in my table. I'm just gonna like put it side by side and just do some rust coding and get fucking brain damage from all the fucking electrons just, you know, spreading away from the monitor. But regrets he wasn't born in 1970. Bro, if I was born in 1970, my meme game would be different, you know? I probably wouldn't be memeing around with CRT monitors, so I don't know. I don't regret. I would say. How often do you stream? I was trying like stream very regularly. Like last month, I was just like streaming, maybe 2 months ago, like streaming every 2 days, sometimes every day. But these days it's a bit difficult because, you know, I have this travel coming up. So I think next stream will be on Thursday or Friday. I don't think I'll stream tomorrow, but we'll see. Just subscribe and just watch the announcements channel on Discord. I post the stream announcements usually earlier, like a couple of hours earlier or just a day earlier on Discord, so you'll get notified from there. But I should probably get back to streaming more frequently because yeah, I mean, it's fun, guys. It's really fun. I'm learning a lot of things from you as well, and I hope you're learning from me, because that would be even cooler for me. That's a bigger flex, you know. Like I can just flex that more. Everything is about flex at this point. Gotta just like have another community called Flex House or something. Gotcha. Nice to get your team. Nice to have you here, bro. Like, you know, someone from Mongolia. It's just a huge flex, and I'm gonna just scroll up to once again see your name. Yeah, Jargils. I can. Yeah, it was nice to meet you, man. Next time I'm in Mongolia, let's just hang out. Or if you ever come to Turkey, let me show you around and let's just hang out, bro. I'll probably will be in Ulaanbaatar sometime in the future, so I'll hit you up, and yeah, you can get some, I don't know, nice food, ride some horses, stay in a war tent, whatever, you know. Check out the blog post, by the way. I traveled quite a bit in Mongolia to go to the river that actually you know, my name originates from. So quite a journey I had there. I should have just like vlogged it, but I just wrote a blog post instead. Maybe conquer some neighboring country in the afternoon. Yeah, I mean, maybe if we feel like it, you know, like it's up to us at that point. Maybe if you feel like we're like, yeah, bro, let's just conquer the neighboring country, bro. Let's have more land, as if we we don't already have enough land. So yeah, I visited Turkey in 2019. Izmir was nice. Yeah, it's a nice city. I think I've been there once. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it was nice to catch up with y'all, and I hope you enjoyed. And we're gonna do some more fun stuff in the future. Hopefully more coding, more like, I don't know, writing Rust and losing our mind sessions and shit like that. So yeah, again, thanks for joining. Transistoric, thanks for being in the stream, man. I mean, I appreciate your existence all the time. Although you're not real, I know that you don't have emotions or anything like that, but you know, you're my favorite chatbot, so love you, man. And Vitaly, thanks for joining as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and keep freaking grinding, alright? Never stop and drink water. That's my final message to all the people watching and all the people of the universe and the people of the earth or whatever. Okay, drink water. See you in the next one. Goodbye. Alright, let me just write some PHP on the CRT monitor, man. I'm just very curious now. Maybe I'll get more performance.